Kama Ayurveda partners with Unicommerce to transform its online operations. Kama Ayurveda, one of India's leading natural beauty and wellness brands, has partnered with Unicommerce to streamline and modernize its online operations. The collaboration aims to make order processing faster, inventory management more accurate, and deliveries more efficient across multiple channels. Kama Ayurveda is widely known for its plant-based Ayurvedic skincare, haircare, and wellness products. By blending traditional formulations with modern production standards, the brand has built a strong premium positioning in India's fast-growing wellness segment. As online demand rises, managing large volumes of orders while maintaining product quality and customer experience becomes increasingly complex. To address this, Kama Ayurveda will implement Unicommerce's flagship platform Uniware. Uniware functions as a multi-channel order management system and warehouse management system, allowing brands to handle orders, inventory, and warehouse operations from a single integrated dashboard. With 3 warehouses being integrated into one unified system, Kama Ayurveda will benefit from centralized inventory visibility, quicker order processing, and more accurate reporting. Real-time stock visibility across sales channels is particularly critical for premium wellness brands. The integration will help minimize stockouts, prevent overstocking, and ensure smoother accounting processes. It will also provide insights into sales patterns, customer preferences, and product performance, enabling smarter assortment planning and pricing decisions. Another important operational improvement comes from better batch management. Since wellness and beauty products have shelf life considerations, the platform will help quickly flag expired or unusable products. This not only maintains regulatory compliance but also protects brand reputation and customer trust. On the logistics side, Kama Ayurveda will integrate Shipway, Unicommerce's logistics technology platform. Shipway automates the selection of delivery partners based on shipment requirements, reduces transit times, and improves return handling efficiency. For customers, this translates into faster deliveries and smoother post-purchase experiences. The Indian wellness sector continues to grow rapidly, driven by rising health awareness, a young consumer base, and increasing preference for natural and traditional remedies. As demand scales, operational agility becomes a competitive advantage. By investing in robust e-commerce technology infrastructure, Kama Ayurveda is positioning itself to handle peak season volumes, expand online reach, and maintain service quality. Manish Kumar Roshan, Senior Manager at Kama Ayurved, highlighted that managing premium wellness products across multiple platforms requires precision and care. The collaboration is designed to ensure that every order, from placement to delivery, meets customer expectations. Kapil Makhija, MD and CEO of Unicommerce, stated that the partnership reflects Unicommerce's capability to support iconic Indian brands in scaling their e-commerce operations with customized technology solutions. Overall, this partnership represents a strategic move by Kama Ayurveda to strengthen back-end operations, enhance supply chain efficiency, and prepare for sustained online growth in India's expanding wellness market. If you found this news useful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for more timely stock market news and company updates.